The little robots. Look at this. Brilliant. Estonia, brilliant. Hug for love vlog where I hug every day, everywhere. Today is a very special day because I'm going to the airport. Going back to Canada. It's been, 5 months in Europe. How lucky I am. Nevena is there. Goodbye. So nice bumping into you. It's just the part. Oh, yeah, that's good. I knew I would bump into someone at MBU and wow, Nevena. There it is, the Pasha. Meeting my new friends, Marta. From Spain and Paul from Italy. The final goodbye to Estonia. Challenge, hug in the airplane, alright? Actually pushing the limits. My challenge is now 5 hugs in the airplane. We'll see how it goes. Already made some friends. You got Alan here, my brother from Italy, Eleanor here. Italian, Estonia. Alright, the challenge is real. My first hug, Marta. Whee! Oh, brother. Whee! Hugging in an airplane, yes! Jumping. Whee! Sweet. Whee! We totally forgot about the 5th hug and now we're about to land. I don't know, we can't get up. Am I gonna be creative? Let's see. Come here! Beautiful, thank you. Challenge succeed actually. Wow! Yes, I've given 5 hugs. Woohoo! Now in Italy. Thank you. My brother. My man. But now I'm going to Milano and then there's gonna be another train and then another airplane and then we'll see. Making new friends in the train. Those guys are from Denmark. Nice! Hug in the train! That's a good one.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, time to roll. Boarding right now. I'm with Francesca and Alice and we're going to Portugal.
Hi.
Yes! Yes! Go! Alright, that's good. Now being in Portugal, I need to give some hugs.
Last call for guests. The gate is about to close.
Another one. 3rd one of the day. Why not? Why not? There ain't no hugs happening in this flight. I'm gonna sleep for sure. I actually slept the whole way. I have a layover of 8 hours in Terceira Island in Portugal. By the way, the nominees for the best hug of the day are number 1, 2, 3. The very, very best hug of the day is... It was a very good hug. Alright, my friends, I'm telling you goodbye. Take care. Good night. Ciao.